believe what just happened. It's rainy weather right now, as you can see. And we was driving और आगे 5-7 गाड़ियाँ इकट्ठी हो गई थी और हम लोग लाइक जाके टकराने वाले थे, बट हबीज क्विक थिंकिंग या बच गया। हबीज क्विक थिंकिंग, उन्होंने गाड़ी पूरी साइड में कर ली एंड सेव्ड अस। सो यू नो, आई थिंक यू नो एवरी टाइम आई गेट इन माई फोन deep into it and not focus on driving or we are not talking, something bad happens. Hai? This is second time I was like just doing something in my phone and something like this happened. My goodness, हम लोग बहुत भले बच गए. I mean, it was very scary. Look at the weather. बहुत जोर से खड़ा होता है फिर लोगों. ये भगवान सारा कर्मों बचा ही ले. सख्त बच गया, सख्त. Shivi don't even know what happened. Shivi, you don't even know what happened, right? Oh man, it was so bad. बाप रे. Yeah. तो बस ऐसे ही हम लोग जा रहे थे और ये कैसे आगे गाड़ी वाला जा रहा है, किसी ने आगे से एकदम से ब्रेक दिया था और हम लोग दूर से देख रहे थे, पर हमारा 70 का लिमिट राइट कार में। तो फिर हस्बैंड ने क्या किया, ये रास्ते से पूरा निकाल कर जो साइड वाला रोड होता है ये यहाँ पे उन्होंने ले जाके कार खड़ा कर दिया। सो हम लोग टकराए नहीं और बच गए, वरना बहुत बुरा एक्सीडेंट हो जाता हमारा। Best buy to buy our new. भगवान ने अच्छा बचा लिया। शिवी हाय बोल रही थी, वैसे भगवान ने बहुत अच्छा बचा लिया आज, वरना हमारा एक्सीडेंट हो जाता। और मैंने लिटरली देखा, मैं इतना डर गई थी, बट हबी ने अच्छे से संभाला। और शिवी तो बहुत छोटी, उसे कुछ समझ में नहीं आया। पर अभी हम लोग आ चुके हैं बेस्ट बाय टू बाय आवर न्यू डिशवॉशर, बिकॉज डिशवॉशर ख़राब हो चुका है एंड इट्स नॉट टर्निंग ऑन, और it has been 1 month almost. So we are here to get dishwasher. So let's go inside और देखते हैं कि हमें कौन सा पसंद आता है. So let's go.
You want to come, Shili?
Yeah. Let's go buy new dishwasher, okay?
No.
No?
Come on.
Alright, so here we are, and let's check the dishwashers and see which one we want. They are expensive.
Play here. Don't go anywhere.
This one is nice. G. Yeah. So far we are looking at Whirlpool. They have only one Frigidaire, but this is not the kind we have. We have the bigger one, and it's
Hot tub game.
hot tub game.
Yeah, hot tub game.
She's playing hot tub game. Guys, store से हमें suggest किया that we should stick to the same appliances because of the color difference in the product. So we just stick to the Frigidaire Gallery. They didn't had the exact model what we had, but they had something in the stock, and we just went ahead and bought that one ताकि जल्दी से deliver हो जाए. तो process quick था, easy. Say yeah, we got a new dishwasher.
Yeah, new dishwasher.
Come on.
What is this? Is that for you?
Yeah, it's a USB. Here we go.
Right guys, so हम लोगों ने हमारा नया डिशवॉशर ख़रीद लिया है। हम लोगों ने सेम ही लिया रेफ्रिजरेटर का जो हमारा पहले था, एंड इट विल बी देयर अराउंड 15th of June, which is soon. So हाँ, अब बर्तन से छुटकारा मिल गया फाइनली। What are we doing, Shivaya? Teach everybody head, shoulder, knees and toes.
Oh, okay. Head, shoulders, knees, toes, eyes, ears, mouth, nose, head.
Now teach everybody, all the guys, all our friends, teach them how to play Iki Siki Siki Bubblegums. Sarvaj. Iki Siki 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 Bubblegum.
Bubblegum, bubblegum. My head. Pull up, pull up, pull up away.
Yay! One more time. Iki Siki 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 Bubblegum.
Bubblegum, bubblegum, bubblegum. The new playground.
Yay! And stick to my,
Tummy.
and we pull up.
Pull up all the way.
Yay!
Bubblegum, bubblegum, bubblegum. Sticky bubblegum. My shoulder. Pull up, pull up, pull up away. Yay! Yay!
Yay!
Mama, 1, 2, 3, guys.
Because you want to three guys.
Guys, hi guys.
Hi, Shivaya.
Hi guys. Welcome. Narrow to one classic. Hi, hi. Hi guys. Walking and supper. Walking. I'm sleepy.
Are you sleepy?
No. I'm Shannon.
You're what?
I'm Shannon.
Shannon?
No. I'm Shannon.
You're Shannon?
No.
Then?
Shannon.
Your channel? Oh, welcome back to my channel. Oh, branded, huh? Channel nahi channel. Oh, wow. Oh, are you chocolate nahi chocolate?
No. Walking a TV.
Shivi vlogging is Shivi.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shivaya Patel.
Petrol.
But
My walking so much.
oh, you love vlogging so much?
Yeah.
That's great. What's your favorite game?
Game Clapper. Walk.
Walk, Carvano, it's a favorite game.
Yeah.
And how about golf?
She go a toy walk.
And then how about like football?
Kick a football.
Yeah, you like kicking a football?
Yeah, football so much.
Oh, and how about driving a police car?
Papa driving a bus car.
Oh, and you like that?
Yeah.
Great. And then who is your favorite person?
Google Google said person.
Google is. Do you like Mama more or Papa more?
Papa more, TV more, Mama more.
Shiv, you like Mama or Papa?
Mama, Papa, TV.
Mama, Papa, Shivi.
Yeah.
All of us?
Yeah.
All of us?
Yeah.
You like all of us?
Yeah.
Woo!
Now.
Let's do like wolf pack does. Ow! Now daddy's turn.
Oh.
Ow! Let's howl. Ow!